now we are in Covent Garden doing our campaign on responsible eating. We're going to be handing some leaflets to the people here. Today we've been putting posters up at LCC, and so now we're going to talk to the people in the streets about it.
So our designs from the posters, and make sure we put our logo and information on our website, and it just shows how to keep clean before cooking, healthy living, and also how to protect yourself from any poisoning or bacteria.
So what we've done so far, we're just having food safety advices for everybody, tips and do's and don'ts to warn you what you should eat, how you should eat your food, to be responsible for your daily health, like what you put in your body matters.
I've been working on the website for this whole campaign, trying to promote it on social media, but currently we're going to promote this thing on the streets and let the people know what we're actually trying to do and what we're trying to help them with. So that's like, we're going to guide you through what we're actually going to do over here.
Excuse me.
Jane once, like she worked for a company, like I don't know, and then they just say whatever, like she's going.